Right now, faceless channels are quietly pulling in thousands of dollars a month. No camera, no face, no studio, just simple videos, posted every single day. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to build one in 2026, and how to automate the one thing that makes almost everyone quit. Let's start with why this works. A faceless cash cow channel is built on a simple loop. You pick a niche, you post short, punchy videos consistently, and you earn from ad revenue, brand deals, and views that compound over time. The content does the selling, not your face. That's why people run 5, 10, even 20 of these at once. And the math is friendlier than you think. A single short that hits can pull hundreds of thousands of views, stack a few winners a week, qualify for monetization, add one sponsor, and a faceless channel can quietly out-earn a full-time job, while you stay completely anonymous. So if it's that good, why doesn't everyone do it? Because of 3 walls. Wall 1, the hook. If you don't grab someone in the first 2 seconds, the video is dead. Wall 2, the editing. The captions, the B-roll, the motion, the sound, the timing. That's where the hours disappear. And wall 3, consistency. Doing all of that, every single day, on every platform, is just exhausting. Most people quit in week 3. Here's what changed in 2026. You can now hand the entire job to an AI video studio. You give it a topic, and it does the rest. It researches the facts, writes the hook and the script, finds real footage, records a natural voice, adds captions and motion graphics, and renders a finished video. So let me walk you through the exact workflow. Step 1. Pick your niche. The best faceless niches share 3 traits: broad appeal, endless topics, and high-value viewers. Think personal finance, tech and AI, history, true crime, fitness, luxury, or motivation. Pick one you could happily make 100 videos about, because you will. Step 2. Give it a topic. Just one line, like China's robot police, or the psychology of money. The studio researches it on the web first, checks the facts so you don't post something wrong, and writes a tight, human-sounding script with a hook engineered to stop the scroll. Step 3. It builds the video. It pulls real footage from YouTube, TikTok, and Pinterest, adds AI B-roll only where it's actually needed, layers motion graphics, stickers, and on-screen text, drops in WordPerfect synced captions, and records a natural voiceover. Then it renders the whole thing. You never touched an editor. Step 4. And this is where the money is. One idea becomes multiple cuts. A short under a minute for Reels and Shorts, a longer cut that qualifies for TikTok's Creator Fund, and a wide 16:9 version for YouTube. One topic, 3 platforms, 3 shots at going viral. These are real videos it made. Sports, luxury, tech news, captions, motion, voice, all done. In any language, in any niche. Now you just run the loop. Batch a week of topics on Sunday. Review the results, schedule them, and let them post while you sleep. Stack 2 or 3 niches, and you've built a faceless content machine that publishes every day while you barely lift a finger. That's how the channels you envy actually operate. Not more talent, just a better system. That system is called Viral Video Studio, and it's on Gumroad. The link is in the description and pinned in the comments. Plug it into your AI, give it your first topic, and post your first faceless video today. If this helped, subscribe. Next, I'll break down the exact niches I'd start a channel in right now.